One of the cool applications that we've seen in multi-jet fusion is actually with PepsiCo. What they wanted to do was print an accent piece to some of their custom design cans that replicated the Black Panther's mask, and it went over the can. And so, this is a really complex design. It would have been extremely challenging and probably cost prohibitive to do in any other manufacturing technology, so you had to use 3D printing.
Part of the initiative was to be able to find a 3D printing technology that was able to produce quality parts very quickly at very low volumes.
Pepsi's main concerns were that it was going to be aesthetic, it was going to be a good-looking part, and that this was going to be a collector item. We tried multiple different technologies.
It was decided that multi-jet fusion was the premier application for it due to the surface quality, the ability to produce low-volume production parts very quickly.
They received the parts, loved them, put them right in the kits and on the cans and shipped them out. And it got a lot of response, both from their customers that received the kits, as well as folks that have seen the story.
What multi-jet fusion has brought to the table is the ability to look at and use parts for low volume production and the ability to test multiple versions of a product. So it's really invaluable to use MJF for product development, for engineers, all the way through supply chain when it comes to getting products to market quicker.